up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Tuesday. Before we start, I just want to apologize to all the viewers for not posting in a long time. We've been busy with school, and my parents been busy with work. But today is my dad's day off, so we decided to barbecue some chicken and hot dog. And what's this?
That's fish. Yes.
Yeah, so we're just gonna have a small family dinner, just to, kind of hang out on my dad's only day off. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. See you guys when we get started.
Gotta say hi to everyone. Alright, put your charcoal in. Put your charcoal in. Oh, go grab the tongue upstairs. It's just go right up here. Go, just use the stairs. And then get more gloves, okay? In the kitchen. Alright guys, I think we're just about ready to start the barbecue right now. Just finishing up with cleaning the grill. I guess it's probably just right to start off with. First off, we apologize for taking a long pause in uploading videos. We've been very busy this last couple of days, or last few days or weeks. I'm gonna try to break away from that noise from that little boy. But anyway, so yes, we've been very busy. I've been busy. The boys been busy with school, and so we just haven't had a chance to really sit down and do some videos. So today is just a perfect day to do something for the family. Just small dinner, barbecue, and then just enjoy today. So I hope you guys are doing great. Feel free to continue to watch our videos, last videos that we've uploaded. Also the rest of the videos that we have. Do we have propane? And then, yes. Anyway guys, so thank you for stopping by today. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. And then just continue to watch our video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, this will be a perfect time. Go take a break, subscribe, click on that link button, and check out the link always in the description below for the merch and all the good stuff. Did you close the door? Huh? Did you close the door or just the screen? Close it. Close the whole thing. All right, we're about to start. All right, we're just fanning the fire to get it started. Oh, just throw it in. Just kind of spread it out, okay? Yep. Spread them out. Okay. That's good. That's good. Okay. Why does it smell It's because you guys cooked the fish on this grill.
Mhm.
That's why it smells bad. Austin, you want to come say hi to everyone? Austin is gonna come say hi to all of you guys. Come say hi.
What's up, guys?
You have to talk to the mic.
What's up, guys? Hope you guys are enjoying the video.
You're already saying to enjoy the video. You haven't even said hi. Come on.
Don't forget to subscribe
Mhm.
and
Don't forget to subscribe.
yeah.
Yes. And for those of you who want to support our channel, I'm going to link some of the merch that we have. So feel free to, if you like, you can support. If you don't like, it's fine. We understand. But yes. Also, like, if you, I think it's probably, this is probably important that I should let you guys know, for those of you who don't know. So we have a playlist. We have some playlists. So if you're just wanting to listen to all the, for example, like all my music, there's like a playlist for that. If you just want to see our camping trips, there's a section for that too. If you want to see all the weddings that I've done in the past, there's also a section for it too, just to kind of make it more organized, and all the videos are categorized under each section through in the playlist. So feel free to check those out. All right. But yes, we haven't been making videos, man. Busy with life. Yeah. Hopefully, so like my schedule at work is very hectic right now, but hopefully we'll get the chance again to make more videos in the upcoming weeks. Yeah. Okay. All right. Oops. I just dropped my light. You see that tree right there? It's on the other side of the fence. It fell. It's pretty dry. So it fell. Luckily nobody was there. Okay, put them on. Move your table closer so it's... Be careful, be careful. Well, what's up with your... What happened to your leg?
Huh? Oh.
Why is it bleeding? Okay. Just light him up so it's faster.
This marination seems different.
Try to make more room so it's faster and flatten it out. Natioto. Come on, hurry up because mommy's hungry. So while we're doing this, guys, Mars is not with us. He's at school. He's at his college campus or dorm. So he's not going to be able to eat the barbecue. Put him down here. Elston, move it. What again? Maybe you guys should put in the comment like who's good in barbecuing, Elston or Marlson. That's Elston. This is Marlson. So let's see who's actually doing, or who's actually going to be doing a good job in cooking this chicken. You'll be the judge. I'm so grateful for this, guys. I don't even have to do the barbecue. They're doing it for me, which is great. I'm grateful.
Alright.
Thank you, boys and girls, because they help me with the guys' work, and then they can also do the girls' work when they're helping their mom. They wash dishes, wash clothes, they clean the house.
If you guys want to buy rice, comment me down below.
Buy rice.
Support my.
Put the hot dogs here.
Did you mostly use the beef?
I'm taking a shortcut today.
Because it seems thicker.
Don't be asking about my recipe, man. That's why it's called recipe. It's a secret recipe. Yes. Anyway, guys, we're not gonna be doing anything fancy on this video. Today is pretty much just like cook and talk story
Update.
or update. Yes, and that is the update. Is we've been taking a break just because of work, a lot of things going on in life, right? These guys have been focusing on school. There's been a lot of changes in schedules and our daily schedules, right? And so that's only the reason why we haven't been uploaded videos. So that's why we had to take a pause. But we'll get back. We'll get back on the grind. Yes. As soon as my schedule is good, then we'll get back on the same routine again. No, we'll cook the fish after.
No,
Why? That's for the chicken. Yeah. Yep. So yes, Marlson is right. Today is just all about update. So yes, that's the update. We kind of paused for a little bit, just since my last. What's the last video that we uploaded?
your vacation.
Oh yeah,
Vacation.
that was the last video that we had. It was that short vacation. We went on the other side, or we went down to Portland,
Yeah.
right? Seaside. If you haven't checked out that video, you should. If you live in Washington or Oregon, Portland, that's probably a good place to go and check out. I know many Chuukese have gone there, but that was my first time, and it's very nice. I think I'll probably recruit some folks to go and do some camping, because I stayed up the whole night just looking out and
The ocean side.
watch these guys just stay on the beach and up until midnight or even past midnight. So I think that's the plan. Next time we plan on going on a camping trip, that's where we head back. We're going.
This is my side.
Maybe use one piece to put the marinade for the chicken.
Are we gonna also put the hot dogs together?
Yeah, we'll just put it together. So yeah, back again. Once again, our merch, right? Something different now is in every video I'll try to link or tag those products. If you're interested in getting our merch, it's like I said, it's up to you. If you want to support, we appreciate it. And then most importantly is the playlist, right? Because we do a lot of videos, so right now we're trying to make things more organized. So all the playlist, all the weddings, bam. If you go to the main page, if you scroll all the way down, the playlist will be right on the bottom. So weddings, if you click on that, it'll just automatically sort through all the weddings that I've done. And then all the music, right? All the music is on one section, right? All the camping trip is on one section. All the pranks, the prank videos that we've, the old ones too. Hopefully we'll get more. You never know. It's probably time to do more videos, prank videos. But yeah, each videos are all sorted in each category. So it's just it's gonna make it easier for you guys to see what videos you want. And yeah, I think that's about what I have as far as giving you some update. As far as our personal update, he's in senior right now. Elston is in freshman, and Mars is in college. And if they work hard, especially this one, if he works hard this year, then
Next year
he might just graduate next year.
in June.
He will
In June.
graduate in June. He might.
He will. He said he will. Yes. So we'll continue to pray.
Guys,
Yeah.
to all my brothers and sisters that are graduating with me, keeping you guys in prayer so that we all can graduate and celebrate all together. But yeah, to all my brothers and sisters, good luck in school. We have about 8-9 more months, and then we graduate. So you guys just stay focused, keep God first, and everything will be good. That's it. Thank you guys for watching.
Any advice from you, Mr. Freshman? Here, I'll hand it over to you so you can maybe, tell them a little bit about yourself and what you've been doing, right? If you're doing your homework and all that good stuff. Make sure you talk to the
Just make sure you pray every day. Study hard. Yeah.
It's kind of hypocritical because you don't study hard.
Okay.
he likes to say, make sure you pray every day, eat cereal every day, because that's what he does every single morning. Eat cereal. That's his favorite food.
Can we go get the brush and the cup?
So it's kind of windy right today. It's summer has officially, it's already been ended. So we're kind of like getting into that cold season. Ouch! So no more hot season. The sun is kind of like it's slowly fading away. Yeah. Roll it. Turn it. Yeah. Anyway, yes, I hope you guys are doing okay wherever you're at. Once again, we want to say thank you to all the subscribers, all the coming subscribers, and all the people that have been following our YouTube channel. And just thank you. We appreciate your support, and we also thank you for just keep coming back and continuing to watch, whether it's the wedding video, our church events, just our regular family gatherings and stuff like that. So we thank you. We guys, we cannot express how thankful we are and appreciative for your continuing support to our channel, my kids, my family, and everyone else that's played a big role or play or are part of our YouTube channel. So thank you guys. We just ask that you would continue to watch our videos and share your comments with us so that we know how we're doing, and also like it's just great to see comments in the comment section. So continue to send those over. All right.
All right, guys. Well, you don't think this is too close? It's not gonna hear my breathing?
No, they can smell your mouth though.
Oh my goodness.
Since it's closer to your
Oh my goodness.
They won't hear you, but they can definitely smell your mouth.
Take this mic away from me. Nah, but yeah. Yeah, stay tuned in June. A lot of parties will be happening in June. I'll tell you that. I'll be graduating on June 13th. If you guys want to come support me, you guys can come.
Wait, that's your graduation date?
The day before his birthday. Yeah.
The day before his birthday.
At 2:30.
How about that? We celebrate your birthday, Elston.
I'm gonna graduate. Like, I would like to call my little brother up here.
And
Elston's gonna say my speech for me. Oh yeah, that's the update of our lives. I'm a senior. Mars is back at his dorm, finishing up school. Elston is a freshman. He's going to school with me. And my parents just been busy with work. But yeah, stay tuned because October, we're in October already. Halloween is coming up. What else? Rawson's birthday's this Sunday. Tia's birthday's next week.
still going?
But yeah, you guys stay tuned. But like my dad said, you guys go check out the videos, check out the playlist. Continue to spread our channel. And of course, check into my dad's music. We'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna shuttle this chicken and we'll check back in a little bit. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but we have finished the chicken. Now it's now we're moving on to the seafood. Yeah, we got octopus and fish on the grill right now. I'm gonna lower you guys down a little bit, but yeah, we got fish and octopus. I really don't know if you guys can see this, but yeah. But yeah, we finished the chicken. We're gonna finish this. Go upstairs. I think we have potato salad maybe, but we're just gonna eat, enjoy this tonight, and then go back to our daily routine tomorrow with school and all that. We'll check back in a little bit.
All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, peace out.